What's going on, guys? Today we're going to talk about my armors box, what I have in there. Guys, full disclaimer, everything I have you may not necessarily need. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. First thing I have here is a multi-tool. It's in the name, multi-tool. Yeah, guys, you can't go wrong with a multi-tool. It has a lot of features, functions. If you guys have a round stuck in the chamber, you go ahead, take you one end of it, pull it out, things like that. The piece that I have out, guys, I use this actually to get carbon off of my bolt. So yeah, a multi-tool. Next on the list that I have is an armor's wrench. Guys, highly recommend an armor's wrench if you guys are gonna be doing your own work on your own weapons. The weapon you guys see behind me, I've used this on numerous times. It hasn't failed me yet. So next is just extra hearing protection. Anytime I'm teaching a class, someone doesn't bring extra, I just have it here for them. So this is just a front sight post, guys. Again, if I'm teaching a class and someone needs, you know, hey, I need you to go up 2, I need you to go down 2, things like that. So these two are one and the same, so to speak. This is a chamber flag. This just lets people know you don't have, you know, a round in the chamber. This is a lock. Highly recommend everybody that owns a gun get at least one lock if you can. I have a lock for every single weapon that I have. And yeah, guys, this is mainly used for safety. So if out on the range someone does something unsafe, I'll take the weapon from them, I'll lock it up, and then from there we'll go ahead and figure out what to do next, depending on the severity of what that person did. So yeah. Next is what I have here is snap caps. This is mainly used for training. Again, guys, for whatever reason, I have a person that's never touched a weapon before, anything like that. This is 9mm, this is 5.56, and it kind of eases their nerves, and also it's way safer than using live ammo. So yeah. Next is a speed loader. Guys, anytime you guys buy a Glock out straight out the box, you're gonna get one of these. I have one for every single handgun I have. So, and it's mainly used for that last round when you're trying to put it in there, your thumb can't do it. So yeah. Next is a compensator, guys. Again, for training. Quick story, I have a 2-year-old cousin, never shot a weapon before. You guys know 9mm doesn't really kick, but for a 2-year-old it will. I threw this on there, guys, and it's almost like shooting a 22. And every time he sees me, he likes shooting now, a 2-year-old. So think about it like that. Next I have, guys, is a bore sight. If you guys don't want to waste the money on zeroing a weapon, guys, highly recommend the bore sight. The one I have here is multiverse. Told you guys get multiverse things. The one I have on here right now is 5.56. They have 9mm, 357, things like that. So a bore sight. Turn it on to show you guys. So yeah. Next is the cleaning kit toothbrush and cleaning kit. Showed you guys that beforehand. Didn't think I need to bring it all out to show you guys. Guys, you guys got to clean your weapons. Even if you guys are out in the field being high speed, things like that. A simple wipe down of take everything apart, wipe it down real quick, throw it back together, and you'll be good to go. So yeah. Next on my list is oils. So I'm gonna show you guys the 3 that I have here. I was going with Lucas first. Didn't even know that these was the company that the U.S. Government uses. Got in contact with them. They hooked me up. This is actually the CLP that we use while on active duty. So yeah. This is just solvent. Pretty good. Spray it on there. Wipe everything off. Pretty good. And then this is just the Lucas oil to show you guys. When this Lucas oil runs down, I'll just take some out of here and just put it back in here. Keep reusing. Keep reusing. Next, guys, that I have on here is just rags. Any kind of rag will do. Like I said, just to wipe it down. As you guys can see, it's all beat up. This is just an old rag I had. So this is actually my placemat. I'm gonna turn this around. You guys will be like, what the hell? This is my placemat. So yeah, guys. Highly recommend. I know there's a whole bunch of placemats out there, Glock, things like that. Guys, a lot of the components that we have in them weapons are black. So I just needed something that, you know, can stand out a bit. So yeah. Next, guys, what I have is just spare parts, guys. I have a whole bunch. I spoke on this beforehand. The world goes to crap, guys. You're not gonna be able to call it an armor, let's be honest. So it's best that you know how to repair your own weapons, things like that. So yeah. Next is just stickers, guys. I use these for ammo cans just to be more organized. As you see, it says 6.5 Grindle, mags, things like that. And then the last thing I want to talk to you guys about is about Q-tips and rags, that nature, things like that. Highly recommend these Q-tips. I buy them in bulk, guys. You can actually buy them on Amazon. I believe I got both of these. I think it was like 10 bucks. And there's about 200 Q-tips and about 200 of these wipes. So yeah, guys. Like I always say, if you guys got any questions, let me know. Be blessed, be vigilant, stay out of trouble. Catch you guys on the next one, all right? Hey GoPro, stop recording. Hey GoPro, stop recording.